gonna hurt you. Yes.
Good boy. Oop.
Why do you have to be such a pissant?
Phoenix.
To teach you.
Good boy. Look at there. So, well, I just gotta give you a hard time for a minute. He doesn't like lifting his leg way up in the air?
What? I totally didn't hear you.
I said he doesn't like lifting his leg way up in the air? Because see, now he's ready for you that one. Good boy. Look at him. He gave it right to you.
Ew, there's like a weed in here. You want plants? Oh my Jesus.
Yay! Angie, come here and look at this. Am I recording?
I think so, yeah. Yes, you are.
Then how come I can't zoom now?
Because the Zoom, I dropped it in the sand.
Oh, so sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sand is not very good for cameras, apparently.
Neither is water.
You ready? He's like, for what? I don't like this.
Oh, Phoenix, relax. What are you doing? You want the camera on you the whole time? Because he's a pretty boy. Yes, he is. Pretty boy. Oh, relax. Your mommy's getting your saddle. Gonna go for a ride. Yep. Here she comes.
What?
Oh, nothing. I just said, here she comes.
Shit.
What? You want one of those things?